How to use Snapchat Music. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. On the right side, you will find Sounds. Click on Sounds, which is the third option. Then, you will find different sounds. You can also search sound at the top. You can also click on the triangle shape like option to play the sound. After you have selected, press on Next. Then in here you can select which part you want. Then press on the circle at the bottom and record your music or your snap. You will also find music option. You can drag it anywhere you want or delete it as well. After that, press on Send to at the bottom right corner of your screen and send it to the people. And this is how to use Snapchat Music. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.